In front of me is Samsung Tab Active4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by tapping on Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Sounds and Vibration. Then click on Vibrate at the top in the middle, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also tap on Sound next to Vibrate and operate this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable haptic feedback for incoming calls. When you're ready, scroll down. Then tap on Call Vibration and select the best pattern for your incoming calls. You can also select Silent at the top. When you're ready, go back, click on a Notification Vibration and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Now by tapping on Vibration Intensity, you can adjust intensity of haptic feedback for system features. Then go back, click on System Vibration and use the same slider over here. You can also click on all of those switchers next to all of those features located under Vibration Feedback to switch off or on vibrations for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!